Did you know that fruit bats have a near-zero rate of cancer? In this video, we explore the specific biological mechanisms in their DNA that prevent tumors and how scientists are using these findings to revolutionize early detection tests, like CancerGuard. Cancer usually starts when cells mutate and grow uncontrollably. However, fruit bats, which are native to Central and South America, have evolved a unique immune system that acts as a natural tumor suppressor, making them incredibly resilient against this disease. The secret lies in their telomeres. Unlike humans, where telomeres shorten with age, fruit bats maintain long telomeres without triggering the instability that usually leads to DNA errors and uncontrolled cell division during repair. Researchers have identified specific genetic mutations in fruit bats that enhance their immune response. These mutations allow their cells to recognize and destroy rogue cancer cells much faster than human or mouse models can handle. This biological advantage means that even when fruit bats are stressed or injured, their cells remain stable. This stability is crucial because it prevents the accumulation of the genetic changes that typically cause normal cells to become malignant and spread. Scientists are now translating this knowledge into human medicine. By understanding these specific genetic pathways, we can develop new therapies that mimic fruit bat resilience or improve existing early detection methods, like the CancerGuard test, for better accuracy. The most impressive fact is that fruit bats can live over 30 years with virtually no cancer cases, proving that aging and cancer resistance are not mutually exclusive. This discovery offers a new hope for treating age-related diseases in humans. We've learned how fruit bats survive cancer by maintaining genetic stability. What other animal adaptations do you think could save human lives? Let me know in the comments and subscribe for more deep dives into medical science.